You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations that confuse a lot of people, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to watch and learn from. It's a name from French. Belvoir is the French pronunciation. Belvoir meaning a beautiful sight. Voir is French for to see, all right? Belvoir. Now, in English, therefore, should be said Belvoir or Belvoir, maybe. But if you're talking about the civil parish, also the castle, it has to be pronounced, it is usually pronounced in the UK as Belvoir Castle in Leicestershire, England. Belvoir Castle. So in English it's sometimes pronounced Beaver or Beaver, but in French, Belvoir. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.